Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tubagaliza sekukulu eyesanyu. And no mwaka gujja gubaberere gwa mirembe. Next year muninde. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Welcome to Tufumbe Show on Pack TV. Enanga bampita Dorina Sasira. Banange, it already feels like Christmas. I mean a Christmas food no zamunda ba. Jingle bell, jingle bell. I'm very excited guys. Christmas is about eating. Kasamunda bangamu manyande semmere so tuze side zeno elugogo just opposite obani ya Legends waliwo restaurant jetuzeeko wano yep bagita Amanetto era nga waliwo omukyala muyimbi mumumanyi abasinga nga Racheal K naye yagenda na kyusamu ebintu nava mu kuyimba kulyo kwa sekula katali mu gospel yeita Minister Racheal K era abasinga manyi nga muwala wa Halima Namakula wano munange watero kasibira era yagambe no waliwo kyagala otulaga oba kyatero okulya wano naddala mu festive season yagambe banange Tufumbe bajje balabye ebyentero okulya nagamba waliwo ekintu kiri special wano so bagenda tulaga mbu pumpkin simanya soup cream bichi ebyo tukulabira mufumbiro then ayagambe waliwo n'ennyama eyo gyatero okwagala okulya so tugenda ko sides eyo Europe towetaga nachi na visa passport so bana bombalete family yona just know guys I'm very excited I can't wait to show you what we have today Tufumbe Show Pack TV era njaga kwebeza abachiko muchuzi mix mwebateka mu sente abali mu group eya Tufumbe bana groups ziri 3 mumwe balenyo mulimo aba professionals abatali aba students twayigiriza so musherunge plates ndeka kola kwa plates zambwe banange no Christmas season muchitegeera others guys thank you so much nze mbebaza nnyo okwagala Tufumbe so sagala barisayo inakwanga nange nga tuwayamu ne Minister Racheal K nejjukira tamanyi nnyo Uganda so tujja kugezaako tujja bitegeera why not temuvaawo. Okay, so for this tugeragenda mu fumbiro ne Racheal K tulabe chef byategekedde eno festive season era nga tukola step by step tukozesa ebirungo ebiri mu fumbiro lyo wano ku Tufumbe Show nawe ali lazy nga toyagala kufumba laba steps zibakozesa oba otegere kye batutegekedde so that next time oboze osolo bagamba nti banange njagala biri nalaba ku Tufumbe Minister Racheal K Doreen bye balyako oba nga goyagala kufumba something special something different festive season eno ze badenga batovaawo tugere tulabe chef ki kyatutegekedde this festive season wano ku Tufumbe Show.
Hi guys.
Ndine one of their main chefs eranga kafuru very professional agenda tuyisamu agenda tulagabya agenda to yabagenda special meal I guess
that Christmas vibes
Christmas vibes yeah, remember the show is brought to you by Chiko Muchuzi Mix era mu abali mu group ya Tufumbe tubebaza nnyo mwebale nnyo kulaba Tufumbe Show so katandike ogenda kusoka weyanjulira abantu tukumanye
yeah Rachi nedda amanya Semakula Hussein chef ku Amanetto Cafe Bakery and Restaurant. Ralero tugenda kufumba cream of pumpkin soup. Tufumbe ne beef roulette.
Kasi beef roulette obo tutewa
beef roulette batute komba France.
France. Okay.
Actually, it's European cuisine. Covering ona Italy, Bangereza, abona bari awo.
So kakati bobogena kutandika ne pumpkin soup twetaga ki joyogeddeko.
Pumpkin soup.
Wetaga pumpkins.
Yeah, twetaga pumpkin, of course.
Twetaga
ensujju, twetaga carrot, twetaga katungulu kaffe. Tubisala mu size zino nene. Olw'ensonga netwagala bisogonyoke wano mu kubisiika. Obutungulu bwaffe tebulina kusiriira.
Okay.
Babusiriira babugenda ebintu byaffe babigenda kuwonya omukka. Twagala abantu baffe bakole ki? Bawulire.
Okay.
Wano wetutuuse ebintu byatugenda biteekamu sitoko erigo twayogeddeko
oli ow'enkoko
asobola obba ow'enkoko asobola obba wa beef asobola obba wa vegetable.
Okay. Kale
watuma oteekamu sitoko waffe tugenda mbireka bitokote bijje kasupu waffe nga watokota kamatwaleko mu Europe.
Tulabe tugenda maaso ebirungo mbiraba
ono spinach ne mushroom. So omuntu ono tugenda mu grillinga. Racheal ky'ayagala nnyo ennyama yange eri well done.
Mumanyi
agala ennyama yange eri well done. Nawe ali eyo buno omuntu osobola bukola muntu butono nnyo oli ayinza obeera eyo neyeebuuza lwaki ennyama eriko obuwuzi. Tugisibisiza obuwuzi buno esobole okujja bulungi yonna mulundi gumu.
Nebiri byotadde munda ebirungo bireme kuyiika. Nkutegeera.
Ennyama yaffe eno ebyefombe eddakiika 10 okubeera well done.
Mwebale nnyo okulaba Tufumbe show wano ku Spark TV, brought to you by Chico Mchuzi Mix era nga tuli wano ku Amanetto kumpi ne Lugogo. Bw'oba ojjukira rugby club wadde yavaawo oba katugambe Legends lyerinnya limusinga okumanya. So tuli wano era wojja wano restaurant ojja kuba ogiraba like nene era kumpi ne ku kkubo. Era nga njagala kubeebaza nnyo okulaba Tufumbe throughout the year. Merry Christmas, tuli mu festive season, mubimanyi ebintu ebyo. Era nga mukwano gwange mweno festive season mbadde njagala bajjukiza to share love. Banange share love, mweyagale, share happiness, spend time with people that you love and care about, spending a time ne family members. Bw'oba ofumbye emmere nga nnyingi okusinga ogiyiwa osobola okugabirako neighbor, osobola okugabirako ba strangers ne b'otamanyi ba sweet kids, like spread love. Okitegeera like wo omuntu essanyu, wo omuntu hope naye ategere nti bannange Yesu yazaalibwa tuli mu kucelebratinga. Bw'oba olina engoye z'otakyayamba genda onoonye engoye naye nga munnange zirabikako bulungi nga nawe nti bw'oba walikuwadde osobola olwambala. Okitegeera temugaba ngoye mbi. So basically kyembagamba nti this Christmas make sure that you share love. Mubimanyi ate n'ekyeraffe wana Batufumbe bannange tubagezeseeko kulu ennungi. Mweyagale ate mujjukire nti no mulina okulya. Sigina barisaayo. So sagala barisaayo ndine Racheal K wano watera okuliira emmere. Racheal K abasinga ye muwala wa Halima Namakula. Kati nze namugambye dda twayogeddeko ddawo katono nemugamba nze mujjukira edda luli ng'alina particular style gy'ali asiba nga nange ngisiba ng'alina signature look ng'alina smile ng'ayimba so bingi nnyo. Okay, kati nagenza omukeberako ng'ate Racheal K erinnya yalikyusizza kati nga ndabako minister nengamba bannange ajja mbi twegambira. So sagala barisaayo guys, ladies and gentlemen. Racheal, you're welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
For the first time, like we've
Really?
never met. Yes.
Are you for sure?
I've never met you face to face.
How?
But
How did that happen?
I don't know.
Are we just never in the same place?
I think so. Maybe I don't know, but I've always followed you though.
Okay.
And I told you from way back, you had that signature look. You had those braids, and I
Yeah.
would try to imitate you. But
I
I
used to love that
couldn't.
style. I think that was the only style I knew. It was the
Really?
thing. People thought I had a scar. They were like,
Actually, I also I thought you're hiding something. I was like, I think Racheal's hiding something.
No, because I really liked Aaliyah, you know, the R&B singer.
Yes,
Yeah,
the
so she
lips.
used to have that style. So I kind of mimicked that with the braids.
You look good.
You look good.
You don't
Thank
change.
Thank you.
Same size. I don't know how you've been able to maintain this. For real.
I wish.
That's what I remember. What? Like you.
I'm off, on and off. But yeah, it's just I don't know. I think I just get everything from my mom. She's always been a small person.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So I think it just runs in the family.
In the
But you
family.
look great too.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I'm also
that's
trying to
amazing.
fight with my weight, but I'll get there.
You look
I'm gonna work-
amazing. If you keep coming here to Amanetto, fighting the weight, it won't be easy.
Oh, really?
It's the food here is
I
so
know.
good. We eat
Things
here.
are very tempting.
We eat.
All right, so you can say hi to the viewers. I know how Uganda. I know you can't. Up
I'm
to
just
now.
gonna say hello. Okay, maybe I can say Mulimutia, Banyabo, Nebasebo, Vampita Racheal K, Minister Racheal K, and Dimoyindi, Mwalawa Halima Namakula. And I'm so happy that you are here watching this show.
All right. So just a brief one. I remember like you used to sing secular music, and I remember those songs actually. Then recently I don't know. I think some few months back, I saw Minister. Okay, I got confused. And there was a song that was trending on TikTok.
Yes.
Then I asked, who is this? He said, Rach. I'm like, no way.
I know.
So what really happened? Like, what happened for you to transition from secular to gospel music? That came off as a shock to me.
I think it's always been part of me.
Oh.
Gospel, being a child of God. It's just, you know how the industry is.
Yes.
It can make you do different types of things.
I know.
You start to do what everyone else is doing, the pressure. So I feel like I've always had it. I've always had to be that person that doesn't just sing, but sings with purpose.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's why my song, My Provider,
is
called
one.
I Call You My Provider. Yes, you are my creator. Oh, my Shibumba.
That's
one. Thank you. So it was more than just a song. It's a prayer.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, God, I feel like this is where I belong. You gave me the voice, you gave me the gift. It was nothing like crazy that happened to me. Or
so you first released that particular song and then you felt like there's a calling?
No, actually, maybe I'm skipping. I'm about 1 year in on my journey. Yeah, officially.
That's why most people don't know about it.
Yeah, I'm about 1 year in. So before I recorded My Provider, I was still trying to figure out where I belong. You know, God, speak to me. You've been there for me. You've been providing for me. You've been making ways for me.
Yeah.
So it was just one morning, one day when I just made a decision to fully go in. And people were a bit surprised. I think yourself.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it. I was like, no way.
I know, people were a bit surprised. But then again, I wasn't too far off. You know, if you listen, even my personality, my music before.
Yeah.
I'm always encouraging people, praying for people. So it was a very smooth transition for me. And I can say I am so happy.
You don't miss the other parts? Yeah. So the name Minister.
What can I say? Prophetic calling.
Oh, okay.
To be known as Minister Racheal K. Who am I targeting? I'm targeting all people. You know, I'm not... You can't be on this lane and only have a certain group. You want to save everybody.
Everyone.
So that's just the journey that I'm on, just to inspire other people and spread the gospel.
How do you handle society pressure? Pressure, because I know I'm also there. They keep, when you post something, there's someone who says, "Why are you showing us your man? Love life, like what's up? We've never seen your man. What's up?" When I said,
oh my gosh.
So I'm a bit curious. So a friend of mine said, "You want to see Racheal? I want to find out. Doesn't she feel a certain way sometimes of like, oh, okay, fine, let me just find someone that there's someone, or maybe let me settle down." I'm like, I'm trying to ask and see.
What people don't know, what you keep private, you keep safe.
True. Very true.
You never know who's monitoring your move. Who's, you know, it's really, really important to keep things private. Yeah, I date. I can't say I don't date. I'm not dating anyone. But that's just something that I keep private. And when the time comes, people will know.
So self-care, how do you take care of yourself? Like when you're depressed as a woman, I don't know, how do you do that?
It's really prayer and just meditating and just giving it to God. No way should we carry things on our own. We have a God who's ready to take it on.
So tugenda kumulamu katono nnyo tukyali fenafena ku Tufumbe show tulina Racheal K naye agamba ennaku zino ya rebrand zeyita Minister Racheal K. So takyali mu secular, ali mu gospel era ye calling ye era nga nabagamba nti no this time round tugenda katuleetera abantu bemumanyi baselebu abamu temubamanyi naye mubamanye at the end of the day we batuula mugenda ne mubamanya. So Merry Christmas, guys. Katugenda tumwiremu katono tugenda kukomawo newe Minister Racheal K. Wano ku Tufumbe show Spark TV. Welcome back from that short break. Tukyali fena wano ku Tufumbe show brought to you by Chiko Muchuzi Mixera. Tuli ku Spark TV bambita Dorina Sasira. Lero tuze eno ku Amanetto site ze Rugogo and tuze eno Racheal K jatero kasibirane era kuno yeyita Minister Racheal K muwala wa Halima Namakula era nga agambe pia bayina emmere jatero kulya in fact kye kijjulo kya Christmas. kakati ffe eri ekaba litugamba noire Christmas era bw'otulina kino ekifo guys just real quick wona like batimbyewo Christmas. So bw'ojja wano during the festive season you're going to feel like Christmas. So kitegeera that's why bakugamba decorating ako katono nnyo so that omanya nti lunaku lwayo lwanjawulo. So anyway sagala barisayo tugenda mu ffumbiro tulabe chef bw'atuuse. Chef oyo mu Italy wadde mu Uganda yagabemu abamanyi olwaleero ayagala tutwalako ewa Europe tugenda kulaba engeri Europe cuisine eyo ngeri gyevuddemu oba abadde akyagrillinga so tugenda kulaba the last bits. Ne pumpkin soup eri creamy era nga bagabye bigenda okubeera special wano ku Christmas. Nawe osobola kikola gwali ewaka. So tubalaze ekijjulo kya Christmas oba kye tubakoledde bw'oba ng'obisiimye ng'owulira nawe oyagala kuwulira engeri gye bitestingamu osobola kujja ne family bagenda kwanga waggule bwe ndowooza eno ngenda mubuuza. And then mwaba tayagala kufumba era mbajjukiza wano bagenda kubeera waggule this festive season mujangu ne family katugenda kututestinga Racheal K atera nnyo okuliira wano Minister Racheal K atera nnyo okuliira wano batugambye nti buli wajja ayagala nnyo ono pumpkin soup.
I really love pumpkin soup. First of all, it's very healthy.
Yes.
It's high in fiber.
Yes.
Fiber is good for digestive system.
Yeah.
And it's absolutely delicious.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
So why not have it as a soup?
For starters, I want to know, what does Amanetto, that word plays me, Amanetto mean? Like I don't understand. Like,
so like
I saw you launch it. Okay, not really try to launch it, but on TikTok, I told you I follow you. And it looks so beautiful. I'm like, what? What is this?
I know.
So what is the name Amanetto like?
So it's quite unexpected. Like I said, I'm not the only one that runs this place.
Oh, it's a family thing.
Yes, it's a family restaurant. So one of the other owners has a son named Ama. So we're like, when he came up with the idea for the name of the restaurant, he wanted to name the restaurant on behalf of his son. And we're like, okay, why not say Amanetto? It kind of gives it that international.
Amanetto. Son's name first, then Netto.
Just to give it that. It was very simple.
I love it.
And when I was told about the story, I thought it was very beautiful. That the boy will even grow up knowing that he has a restaurant named after him.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, Rich, I love this.
This is
the aroma, guys.
Everything smells amazing. Looks amazing.
Oh my God.
Will we be able to finish all of
I
this?
don't know. It's a lot. So what is this, Racheal? Because they told me you also love this. So for us who want to eat this festive season, gwali wakanga ononye ebyokulya. Hey, we want to know. So what is this?
Yeah, so this is the beef roulade. Beef roulades. We want to transport our guests overseas.
Right?
You know?
You're in Uganda, but somehow you're somewhere.
get a little touch of the European. This is something that you will not find anywhere else. I know, right? So no need to travel, you know.
Yeah. In the meantime, I want to test.
Please have a taste.
I want to have a taste.
Of our creamy pumpkin. Tell me what you think about it.
Because some of you love this.
I do love it. Actually, let me not keep you alone. Let me also have a sip.
Yeah, dig in.
And this is made by one of our head chefs named Hussein.
Wow.
Yeah, so if you ever want to try this, just say, I want the one that Chef Hussein made.
On Tufumbe TV, the one that Minister Racheal tested. Right? Nice.
So it's a very, it's mixed with different spices.
Yes.
It's very mild in a chili.
Yep.
Because I know people like chili, but they don't want that heat.
Yes. Ooh, and thick.
Very thick.
I love this.
Thank you.
Then I have to test the meat.
And then we have the beef roulade.
Yes, we do.
Which is very colorful, very presentive, very festive.
Yes.
It almost looks like a Christmas tree when you got the green, you got the red, you got the wood here.
Like a festive,
you know? So this
Christmas
is
colors, literally.
This is on our Christmas menu. It's called the beef roulade. is specialty. It's specifically on the Christmas menu.
Oh.
So it is a holiday meal. So after the holidays, we may not have
Oh
it.
yeah. Oh yeah.
But if it's popular, we may keep it on the menu.
Oh, so it's only for Christmas. Hey guys,
Yes, so you guys
come
come
through
and
so that we make it
try.
popular. I want to come back
Yes.
next year when I can be able to actually order for this.
So should we have a bite?
Oh yes,
Yeah.
I want to try.
So
See,
it's very.
you said
easy
it's
to cook.
tender. I want to see if
Uh-huh.
it's really tender.
And if you look in the middle, it's stuffed with greens. We have
Yeah.
mushrooms in there.
Very true.
We have tomatoes.
Actually, yes.
It's quite different and unique.
Very.
And it is a popular
Actually, yes.
dish from.
The greens are here. The tomatoes. You're right. And it's very tender. I was trying to
It
get
is
out.
tender.
Very tender.
So for those that have sensitive teeth, this is not tough. You can definitely eat this.
You
And
can
it's a
have
very-
it, yes.
And it's
you
a special
can.
meal from Italy.
Yes. No visas, no passport, guys. Come through.
You know?
Tender. Oh, this is nice. All right, so your last word to the women out there or girls out there during this festive season, anything?
Just to basically be safe,
Yeah.
have fun, stay prayerful,
Yeah.
and just remember what the day is all about. It's
Yeah.
not just about gifts, it's not just about food, but it's about the Holy Spirit
I know.
and just being together with your family and your friends. So, yeah, sending all my love to you, and I hope to see you all at Amanetto Bakery Cafe and Restaurant.
Yeah. So before they bring the desserts, as we wind up, you're gonna give us that song again. I love it.
Hey.
That TikTok one. I love it. Just
call you my provider. Yes, you are my creator. Oh, my Chibumba. You are the source of my strength. You know me by my name. Yelele mama way.
Hey, what is Chibumba? Like
My heart, yeah.
My heart.
Yeah. It's
That is what
from,
Swahili? I don't know.
No, Busoga. Yeah.
Chibumba. Oh.
Yeah. Try to throw in a little different, not your normal.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. just
I
to kind of-
know.
yeah, just to kind
And
of.
you have a good voice.
Thank you so
That song is very
much.
beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
God
And
bless
thank you all for listening to it.
Yep.
Really,
It
this
was
song
funny.
has
I'm
inspired-
waiting for more songs.
Yes, I'm in
Yeah.
studio. I'm actually working on my EP.
Oh.
So 2026, I'll be having a listening party. So
I'll
I'll
send
be
a
letting
reminder.
you,
You
of
had
course.
Rachel.
Of course,
If you don't
maybe we'll have
invite
some
me.
beef roulade.
If you don't invite me, Rachel.
You have to be there. You have to be there. I
have
can't
to
forget
come
you.
through. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You can sing.
I can. Wait,
can
you wait.
sing,
You
girl.
wait. You
Okay.
wait next year.
Collaboration? Collaboration?
Right. You wait.
It's happening.
Thank you. This is lovely. So we shall just have the
you.
dessert, and that will be.
This is
So
the
this
problem
is
of-
the special Christmas dessert
Yes.
meant for only that day, Christmas, or
no.
it will be. You're just introducing it here.
Yes. We're just introducing it here. It's actually a cake. But you can have the full cake, you can have a slice. We're pushing this even beyond the holidays for weddings, birthdays, graduations.
It's
It's
lovely.
a different kind of cake
I know
that
it's
we think
different.
can be
Wow.
quite a hit. for
I know.
people.
This is beautiful.
So it's topped with cream. We have a pastry tart on the bottom here.
Okay.
And it's topped with strawberries, blueberries, to give it that kind of that extra sweet flavor.
Yeah, true.
So how about I actually want
This
you
is
to try
beautiful,
it first and you let me know what you think.
Oh, the cream is very soft.
It's very soft. But you didn't put a fruit with it.
They know I'm on a weight
Weight
loss,
loss
but
journey
I keep cheating.
2026. Not 2020.
I push it, yeah.
Oh my god,
This
this
is
is
not-
so good.
Guys,
It kind of has a lemon touch.
Pavlova from Australia.
from Australia. Now we have it here in Uganda.
In Uganda.
Only here at Amanetto.
Yes.
I don't think any other restaurant.
This is a unique one. I've never tasted this. This is lovely. Weight loss 2026, guys. I've tried.
2026 or 2027?
No. Racheal, no. Racheal, thank you so much.
Thank you too.
I've had fun. I'll come back.
I had a great time with you.
Oh, me too.
Next time we're gonna have breakfast. You try our breakfast menu.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
I'm looking for you next year. I have to look for you.
Sounds
We
good.
have to come back here.
Thank
you so much, Racheal. God bless you.
God bless you too. Thank you for
right.
having me.
You're welcome. Bye, guys.